So now, next thing which we are going to discuss in OSP basic is OSPF area. So what OSPF will do, suppose this is your network, right? Let me take a black one. This is your network R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, right? What OSPF will do, they will divide your network into the certain areas. Suppose this all router belongs to one area, which is area 0, and these routers are belongs to another area, which is area 1. Why they have done so? Because OSPF is deployed in a which I told you what is the advantage of OSPF. One advantage is it's deployed in a large network. Suppose you have a you have a n numbers of routers or many routers, about 50, 40, 100 routers, right? So if both everyone everything is in the same area, they are going to send their update to each other linked state database, and it will take some time, right? But to minimize the convergence time, they have done this area sort of things. They have divide your area into the divide your network into the small area, so that only a one area router will give the update to his own area router, right? Here router 1 will give a update to router 3 and router 2, and router 3 job is to summarize all the route or provide give all the area 0 route to area 1 and area 1 route to area 0, right? So if any changes will happen, suppose this link was down, right? They will only send the trigger update in area 0. They will not going to send any trigger update in area 4. So area 4 sorry, area 1, so that area 1 will not be disturbed, right? Then after the link state database will be synced in area 0, area 3 will send the same information to area 1, right? And another thing is, suppose you have this network here also, right? R6, R7, R8, R9, R10, right? And you have one more router here, correct? R6. So what they will do, they will create one more area here. We'll take another color. They have created one more area here, right? This pink one. This is my area 2. So there is a one rule of OSPF. All area must be connected to area 0. Area 0 is my backbone area. That is why we have mentioned here in OSPF. If you see here, I told you support hierarchy management, because everyone should be connected to area 0, right? Area 0 is my hierarchy, right? If I'm connecting area 1, area 2, area 3, everyone should be connected to area 0, 0. Area 0 is like my boss in OSPF network, right? Whosoever area come into the OSP in my OSPF network, they need to be contacted to area 0. If it is not directly connected, we need to create a virtual link between that link, but that was not virtual link was not recommended, right? So that is the another part, right? So area 0 will be a backbone area. Everything should be connected to area 0, right? If some area is like this, which is not connected, it will not, these routes will not, the OSPF will not sync. Everybody does not have the information of this area 3 because it's not directly connected to area 0. If we want, we can create a virtual link between these two, between area 0 and area 3 to make it work. But virtual link is not a recommended solution, right? That is the areas in. And we have more area types like stub area, like stub, like totally stub, like NSSA. So these we will do once we are doing the details of areas. Right now I'm just giving the basic overview how OSPF will be work, how OSPF will be going to divide your network into the area. This is the standard OSPF, right? We have a many solutions like a stub, not so stubby area, totally stubby area. We'll discuss in advanced OSPF once we are moving towards the advance of that OSPF. And now we have a different routers in a OSPF. Those router which are participating in two areas like the router 3, this is participating in the area 0 as well as area 1. So this is my ASBR, sorry, ABR. This is my area border router. What it is called? Area border router, right? Some books and some people are also told all the routers in a backbone area as a backbone router, right? And suppose you have one more router here which is having a static route, not a part of the OSPF. You're connected with this router is with the OSPF or another OSPF connected with a static or the router which is taking you out from OSPF autonomous system is known as ASBR router, autonomous system, autonomous system border router, right? This is my ABR router, area border router. This is my autonomous system border router. This router is taking me out from the OSPF network, right? And this router is connecting me with the different area. That is why we have a name area border router, right? And ABR is this is the job of ABR to send the information of one area to another area, right? Any doubt in this till now? What is area border router? What is ASBR? What is backup routers? What is backup backbone area? Okay, let's move forward then.